Hello guys and welcome back to AppWiz. Are you tired of seeing the same useless or repetitive videos on your TikTok For You page again and again? No matter how much you scroll, the content just doesn't change? Well, there's a hidden option inside TikTok that can completely refresh your For You feed and show you brand new content. And most people don't even know about it. So if you want to fix your TikTok feed in just a few seconds, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open the TikTok app and tap on Profile. Now, tap on the three white lines in the top corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Here, select Content Preferences, and you'll see the option Refresh For You feed. Tap on it, then tap Start to refresh your For You feed. That's it for this video. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.